Hi everyone, this is Andrew from Total Window Service, and today I'm taking this video from Long Island, and this is a Zebra, factory facility. We are here to do an estimate for glass restoration. So you see all these glass panels over here. They have a lot of buildup over time. This building, it was, as I was advised, it was built in 80s. And since that time, pretty much, all that calcium buildup on the glass, we're just building up more and more, and it got to a very bad condition. And right now, facility managers thinking about restoring the glass, and that's why we're here. So I'm in Long Island. It was around 1.5 hour driving from Brooklyn, but listen, it's a big project for the restoration, and we don't mind doing it even a little bit further from our location. So I'm gonna walk around, count the windows, check a couple of them, and do maybe some tests, and we're gonna give a quote for all the windows restoration and for metal cleaning. They actually requested a couple quotes. They want the front of the building, separate quote, and the entire building. Okay, so here we can see, the amount of oxidation. Look, I'm trying to wipe it. It's not like a regular dirt, although it looks like that. But all this, we're gonna need to use acid or some other chemical for hard water stains. This is how it looks. So look, yeah, a little bit better in this place, but this is just a grime from the silicone, and all these not that good. Look, it's pretty bad. All right guys, so right now I am on the roof, and this is how the preparation and rigging is happening. So we have some roof rigs here. It's not necessary on this roof, but guys just decided that it's gonna be easier eventually, so we decided to bring a couple pieces in here. As you see, this roof is very big, and we're gonna have to clean all the way around. And since we have a roof riggers, you can just slide it, and it's a lot easier for rigging than doing it without it. Of course, it takes time to bring it in. Not that much time to put together, but all the counterweight, it's a little bit heavy work. We have some guys down there. They already started to buff the glass, and this is not a standard job, and this is not something that we often do. It's a similar to scratch removal, but not quite like that, right? Scratch removal is a lot more difficult process that involves grinding the glass multiple times. And in this case, we just need to remove oxidation, and we tested the glass with the different chemicals, and unfortunately nothing showed good result in terms of removing that oxidation easily, right? So like usually Winsol, it's like number one thing that we can try, and it's in 95% probably gonna be effective, but in this case it's just doesn't work. I don't know what kind. It's probably calcium buildup. We tested a couple other chemicals, and I mean, no significant result. I don't know if I should give away a trade secrets of how we're gonna do it, but the thing is, we are gonna be buffing the glass and polishing it, so we will remove oxidation. So this process of restoring the glass will involve using power tools, buffers, which gonna make this glass looks as good as new. The important thing that I would like to mention for those who do the cleaning and maybe until this time doesn't know, any type of work with chemicals involves that you have to use for the glass. It's the best way to do it when it's a cloudy day, right? Like right now, I mean, it looks like cloudy, it feels like it's gonna rain, and probably it can start anytime. But for the chemical work, this is probably the perfect weather. Even if we had like a small drizzle, I would probably continue doing the work, just because in this case, it's less about making that glass streak free or some kind of like residue, right? When we doing regular cleaning, client expects that the glass will be super clean, right, without any marks and stuff. With chemical cleaning, I mean, obviously the same way we have to eventually leave it, probably redo. But the goal is to remove oxidation. Right now, when it's not sunny, when the sun doesn't dry that chemical on the glass, when the glass is not hot, it's gonna be a perfect conditions to do work like this. After a couple days of the glass restoration works, I'm back again to this project and just want to see and show you the result. All right, so this is probably the worst area in the building. Look at this oxidation here. Look, it's like, I don't know, it's like a snake's skin, right? Look, wow, it's rough. Okay, and we have these panels that are really hard to clean it off. There's a lot of oxidation still after cleaning. We tried acid, we tried buffing, we tried different chemical buffing, and it still has some haze on it. We're gonna try to polish it with polishing powder. We'll see what effect it's gonna give us, and most likely this glass needs full restoration. We need to grind it, remove top layers of the glass, and polish it again, similar to what we do with scratch removal. So Michael is preparing all the tools, and we'll see how it's gonna go. All right. So right now I am inside, and let's see how these windows look from inside. This is already cleaned windows, and as far as I see, this is the interior. Looks beautiful. Okay, so right now I'm with Michael, and we are doing a walkthrough at this building. And here is the panels that are very tough to clean off. You see all this haze. It has been cleaned a couple times. We already buffed it one time, but still haze on it. We'll try to do it again. Other panels looks beautiful. All these very, very, very nice. This is the final result of our cleaning. Just look at our work. If you're looking for glass restoration, if you want to renew your glass, you obviously can call us. It's Total Window Service. We operate mostly in New York City, but we also do projects like this one in Long Island, Queens, Bronx, even New Jersey, as much as 2 hours traveling. There's no problem. We can travel, we can do the job, and it's not necessary to replace the glass. We can often restore it for the much, and you will pay much less versus replacing the glass. Okay guys, so this was Andrew from Total Window Service, and I was streaming my video from another project that we clean. Here we do glass restoration. So like and subscribe if you like my videos. Maybe you don't, I don't know, but I'm not always a very good speaker, but it's sometimes interesting to watch what exactly we are doing. And this project, it's interesting not just because chemical wash, but it's also something different from what we normally do in New York. This building is rather wide than high. It's very low. We have 4 floors in here, probably about 60 feet, not even 60, but there's a lot of windows. It's around 400 drops or something like that. So we're not using any lifts here because all the way we have grass, we have landscaping, and it would be very difficult to navigate these machines. Plus they cost extra, right? And this way we can kind of give a good price to the client, fit the budget, and still do the job. So total window service, New York City, professional window cleaning. Give us a call and have a good day.